Good morning, my name is Miss Finney and I teach the Agribusiness Technology classes at Stanley Community College. So what is agribusiness technology? I get that question a lot, and how I like to explain it is imagine a really big umbrella with a lot of little umbrellas underneath them. So the first one that you might pull down says agriculture. So we talk about all things agriculture, the animal science side, the row crop side, the soil science side, the greenhouse side, which if you didn't know, we actually have a greenhouse on campus at the Albemarle campus that you guys have access to during the classes. And we also talk about different things in agriculture, how it's changing, how the laws and regulations are changing. The next umbrella that you might pull down is business. And so we talk about how do you properly keep records? How do you make sure that you're making a profit? How do you make sure that you are spending enough to make improvements to your farm without causing yourself to be in a really big hole? And how do you properly market your farm or your business or any aspect of agriculture that you're in? The next umbrella that you might pull down is technology. And so technology is forever changing, and so is it in the agriculture industry. And it's our job to really keep up to date with it so that we can improve our farming practices or how we're running our farm or anything or our greenhouse. So we have 4 different options at Stanley Community College for agribusiness technology. Let's see. So the first one is your traditional associate in applied science. It is your 2-year degree. So you're with me for full time. Now, if that seems like too much school for you, you can do the diploma option, which is 1.5 years, the fall through the summer semester, and it's only 38 hours. And then you have the certificate option, which is 1 year, which is becoming very popular. And this is basically where you complete all of the agricultural classes that I offer. So that's really exciting. You get to know all about the classes that relate to ag. And then if you are a high school student, this is a huge benefit for you. Career and college promise classes. You can take my classes for free when you're in high school. That is just awesome. So we offer a lot of different classes. I know a lot of you are high school students and you're enrolled in an ag program. And so basically step into this when you finish all of your high school ag classes and you still want to learn about agriculture. It's a huge benefit. Then the other question I get is, well, what do I do after school? Well, if you have a 2-year degree, you can step into the industry. Even if you have a diploma or certificate, that's stepping into the industry is definitely an option. But if you're like, I would like to continue my school, we are wrapping up in the final stages of a transfer program. So you will do 2 years with us at Stanley Community College and then transfer to the University of Mount Olive in the eastern part of the state to finish your last 2 years, and then you will graduate with a Bachelor's of Science. So that's a quick overview of what agribusiness technology is at Stanley Community College. If you have any questions, my information, is at the bottom of the screen. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a great day. Bye.